What time is it? Oh, perfect. I can get there right about 4:30. That's perfect. I can do that. I need to do that anyway.
This is what you need. Capital One Quicksilver card. What's in your
Damn,
one?
Terms apply. See CapitalOne.com for details.
We're
from Washington. We love Febrez's new scent. Refresh and energize.
So much we made a song about it.
Well, he has to wait. So I'm backing out.
Ho, ho, ho!
Why are you here, Santa? Shouldn't you be at the North Pole?
Sarah, I've got bad news. Your Christmas tree is looking a little shabby.
Getting rid of Christmas trees is hard to do.
When you call 1-800-GOT-JUNK to get rid of all your other old junk,
I hope
Brian
I'm not having
Squidward is going to haul off your old
car.
Christmas tree for free.
All I have to do is point.
All you have to do is point.
Christmas trees disappear for free.
When you have other junk hauled away,
Call 1-800-GOT-JUNK.
or visit 1-800-GOT-JUNK.com.
Really weird.
Get in, loser.
This Friday,
Play Queen.
we wear pink.
It's true. I saw a TikTok about it.
And if you break the rules, you can't sit with us.
Walk away, turd.
Mean Girls, rated PG-13. Only in theaters Friday.
Ladies and gentlemen, banking with BMO is now arriving in California. The seatbelt sign is off, but buckle up because BMO is bringing more than 200 years experience in growing your wealth, growing your business, and growing the good. Collect your bags and wallets because the BMO debit card gets you more fee-free ATMs than the two largest U.S. banks combined. Learn how your savings can take flight at BMO.com. Accounts are subject to approval and are provided in the United States by BMO Bank N.A. member FDIC.
This week at Rayleigh's and Nob Hill. Clip your digital offer online or in the app to get Rayleigh's fresh, boneless, skinless chicken breasts raised with no antibiotics ever for just $1.97 a pound, limit 2 packages. Savings you can count on, in-store or online, only at Rayleigh's and Nob Hill.
The free iHeartRadio app has over 100 commercial-free stations waiting for you right now, like Pop Rewind. Commercial-free hit music from the 2000s through today. Just search Pop Rewind and listen now on your free iHeartRadio app. Free never sounded so good.
What's holding you back from learning the language you've always wanted to know?
Too hard.
Takes too long.
Not with Babbel. Babbel's lessons take just 15 minutes a day.
15 minutes isn't long.
Nope. And they're fun. So you don't realize you're learning a language, but you are. In 3 weeks, you're able to start having conversations. And Babbel's lessons are built around real life.
And with Babbel, it isn't hard.
It's perfect.
Start learning a new language today. Go to Babbel.com. That's BABBEL.com.
As CEO of Jack in the Box, I'm proud to announce the Double Bonus Jack Combo. With double the beef and double the cheese, you're going to feel like you're seeing double, or, eating double. Either way, not bad for $5.99. Limited time only. Price and participation may vary.
Hypertrophic cardiomyopathy is a serious heart condition. Some symptoms include being short of breath, feeling tired, or having dizziness or chest pain. My HCM impacted how I felt and what I could do. So I asked my cardiologist about treatment advances that gave me new options. That conversation was big for me. That's why I'm working with Bristol Myers Squibb to raise awareness about HCM and to help others like me. Talk to your cardiologist today and visit hcmrealtalk.com to learn more.
Sponsored by Bristol Myers Squibb.
KZ Kitchen Cabinet and Stone, where your new kitchen is always in stock.
Star 1013 Bay Area traffic.
Crews are towing away a stalled big rig in Emeryville, West 80 at Powell Street. You're still backed up from Golden Gate Fields. On North 101 in San Francisco, slow from Vermont Street to the lower deck of the Bay Bridge. Once you get on the lower deck, it's slow out through the tunnel. South 101 Sunnyvale, slow from Lawrence Expressway to Oakland Road.
This report is sponsored by KFC. KFC still has 2 for $5 chicken wraps. Now in new mac and cheese, spicy mac and cheese, and honey barbecue, along with the classic and spicy slaw wraps. It's finger licking good.
Star 1013 is KIOI, San Francisco and San
That
Jose.
is not what you're supposed to do, driving in the bike lane.
Guys, time for
That was inappropriate. That's not
If you
a
aren't being with you
it's
and
not
want
lane
to think
at
of you,
all.
then this is a you thing. An organized house represents an organized life and brain. Take 5 minutes a day, put things back in their place. It's gonna help your day be better. It's your horoscopes for the year coming up next.
Hey, Bay Area, or Imagine Dragons.
Hey guys, this is Bruno Mars.
This is Kesha, and you're on air with Brian Secret.
On Star
Yeah, God go hit me too. Dumbass. And he starts to go at the same time the other guy goes. Not supposed to do that.
More music, more variety. So fun. Great variety. I love it.
Star 1013.
There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch that's bringing me out the dark. Finally, I can see you crystal clear. Go ahead and sell me out, and I'll lay yours be spare. See, I'll leave with every piece of you. Don't underestimate the things that I will do. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch, and it's bringing me out the dark. The scars of your love remind me of us. They keep me thinking that we almost had it all. The scars of your love, they leave me breathless. I can't help feeling we could have had it
Boy, nasty, Napa.
There is so much goodness that comes with having a dog or two in your life. The hardest part of it is that their life expectancy is like 7 to 9 hours, but it is on the verge of changing. There's a new drug being tested that could significantly extend canine life, but it's not for every type of dog. So you might want to search this. Search dog live longer on airryan.com to check it out.